Valentine's Day has no basis within the Muslims. We are different, unique, and have our own festivals. Let the kuffar copy us and be amazed by us, not the other way around. Shaykh Ibn Uthaymeen rahimahullah was asked, in recent times the celebration of Valentine's Day has become widespread, especially among female students. It is a Christian festival where people dress completely in red, including clothes and shoes, and they exchange red flowers. We hope that you can explain the ruling on celebrating this festival and what your advice is to Muslims with regard to such matters. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless you and take care of you. He replied, celebrating Valentine's Day is not permissible for a number of reasons. Number one, it is an innovated festival for which there is no basis in Islam. Number two, it promotes love and infatuation. Number three, it calls for hearts to be preoccupied with foolish matters that are contrary to the way of the righteous Salaf. May Allah be pleased with them all. It is not permissible on this day to do any of the things that are characteristic of this festival, whether that has to do with food, drinks, clothing, exchanging gifts, or anything else. The Muslim should be proud of his religion and should not be a weak character who follows every Tom, Dick, and Harry. I ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to protect the Muslims from all temptations, visible and invisible, and to protect us and guide us.